Click Rebar Cover. You will notice commands that allow you to edit rebar cover. Pick Elements allows you to change element cover, and lastly Pick Faces allows you to change cover by face. Click the 3 points and the cover settings schedule will appear. We will now fill some cover values. Click Duplicate and change the setting to 50. In the description type exterior wall. Duplicate again and type interior wall 20. Duplicate again and type exposed to earth 75. This will be for the foundation. Select the wall, go to Rebar Cover Exterior Face, then change it to Exterior Wall. For Interior Face assign it to Interior Wall. We will apply this to all the other walls. For the foundation we will change all of them to 75.